Welcome, space adventurers! Today, we're exploring the most magical clouds in the universe, nebulas. Look up at the night sky. We see twinkling stars. But guess what? Space is even more amazing than that. Far, far away in space, there are giant, fluffy clouds. We call them Nebulas. Can you say that? They are like super-duper big clouds, even bigger than all the clouds we see right here on Earth. Some are so colorful they look like giant swirls of cosmic cotton candy. Yummy colors, but you can't eat them. These amazing clouds are made of tiny bits of dust and gas, super tiny, like invisible sparkles. Nebulas are very special places. They are like nurseries, but for brand new, tiny baby stars. Inside these clouds, the tiny bits of dust and gas slowly squish closer and closer together. Squish, squish, squish. When they squish and squeeze a lot, they get super, super warm, warmer than a giant bonfire. Then, pop. If they get warm enough, a brand new star starts to shine brightly. Ta-da! Many, many stars can be born inside just one big nebula. It's a busy, bustling star factory. Nebulas come in all sorts of colors and shapes. Some look like animals or even giant hands. This one is called the Eagle Nebula. It has tall, dusty pillars where even more new stars are growing. Nebulas are always slowly changing, like clouds in our sky. New stars are always being born. The next time you look at the stars, remember those beautiful, colorful space clouds where they all begin.